Saudi Aramco permit receiver. 2021 exam. Question and answer. Question 1. What isolation method approved for confined space entry? A. Single block valve. B. Double block and bleed. C. Disconnecting of piping. D. All answers. Answer is C. Disconnecting of piping. Question 2. How do you make sure excavating machine operators know where the underground hazards? Answer is physically marks the location at the site. Question 3. Who should point out and document hazards on the work permit forms? A. Issuer, designated representative. B. Receiver. C. Firewatch. D. Standby man. Answer is A. Issuer, designated representative. Question 4. Contractors shall always be the first to install and the last to remove locks and tags. A. True. B. False. Answer is B. False. Question 5. Why should gas test be taken before entering an excavation? Answer is toxic or flammable gas could be present. Question 6. What does shoring, benching and sloping refer to? A. Gardening or tree removal. B. Carpentry or woodworking. C. Installing catalyst in a vessel. D. Preventing excavation collapse. Answer is D. Preventing excavation collapse. Question 7. When welding in progress, why is it important to position the welding return lead as close as possible to the weld point? Answer is to prevent dangerous stray currents. Question 8. Ladder should be extended above the landing point. A. 2.5 feet. B. 5 feet. Circa 3 feet. D. 4 feet. Answer is circa 3 feet. Question 9. How can you tell if hearing protection should be worn in a work area? A. Barricades and warning sign. B. Work and see if your hearing gets damage. C. By behavior of other people. D. Check if somebody else has worn it. Answer is A. Barricades and warning sign. Question 10. Why lifting equipment must never be raised, lowered, or swung over the people who are working in an excavation? Answer is workers could be struck by the equipment, load may fail. Question 11. Excavating machines are not allowed to operate closer than how many meters from the nearest underground hazard? A. 10 meters. B. 5 meters. Circa 3 meters. D. 1 meters. Answer is 3 meters. Question 12. Why welding hoses must be removed from confined spaces during work breaks or overnight? Answer is to prevent a dangerous build-up of gas. Question 13. Select the main safety processes Saudi Aramco uses to identify hazards early to avoid incidents. A. Safety observations checklist. B. Hazard analysis checklist. C. Work permit system. D. All answer. Answer is D. All answer. Question 14. What safety equipment must be worn by a person using a cartridge-operated tools? Answer is gloves, hearing and eye protection. Question 15. What are some of the basic safety checks that should be made before accessing scaffolding? A. No gaps in the planks, no leaning. B. No evidence of collision boards damage. C. Materials must be in a good. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. Question 16. Who should be assigned to direct traffic around an excavation? Answer is flagman or banksman. Question 17. The most common cause of incidents at Saudi Aramco is a failure to follow A. Yellow lines in the workshop. B. Supervisor's instructions. C. Rules and procedures. D. Co-workers' good suggestions. Answer is C. Rules and procedures.